Hi, welcome everyone. Today we have new Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5i laptop with us. I gonna unbox. The exact model number is 82HS. This is 2-in-1 device powered by Intel Core i7. This is 16 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD. Display is 14-inch. Without further delay, let's crack the box and check out the laptop. The first item is Lenovo digital pen. It came up with battery. You can also get pen holder with this. You can insert this into any one of the USB port. Now we will check the second item. Charger, very lightweight with 65 watts power supply. Finally, here is our laptop. So in that box you will get setup guide, warranty guide, Lenovo digital pen with pen holder and charger. The top of the laptop is very clean with Lenovo logo. If you see at the right side, you will see get 2 USB port, 1 SD card reader and power button. Let's look on the left side. Charge port, HDMI port, USB port, then one audio jack. Let's open the laptop first. This is Intel Iris graphics and Intel Core i7. If you see at the right side, there is fingerprint reader. This is backlit keyboards. Then front facing speakers. There is privacy shutter camera at the top, if you see. This laptop is 360-degree versatility, so you can fold like this. Even you can use this like as a pad also. Let's power on the laptop and we'll do the initial setup. Follow the instructions.